Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start the Christmas mission in Plants vs. Brainrots game latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The winter event or the Christmas event has been dropped in this Plants vs. Brainrots game. And you can go to this area to start the Christmas mission, but you need tokens. And to get the tokens, guys, you can go to the central island first. And you need to complete the Christmas quest or the Christmas conveyor right here. You can monitor it right here, guys. For example, for the easy one, you need to use gear items. And after you can increase your XP and reach the target, you will be able to claim Christmas tokens. And you can also use the Christmas token to buy something from this shop, and this is my balance, and you can use it to start the Christmas mission like this. You just need to start the Christmas mission right here. Okay, and now the Christmas mission has been started, guys, and you need to beat the Brainrots to get rewards. Okay guys, and that's how you can start the Christmas mission in Plants vs. Brainrot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!